welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn off background apps to help increase performance of your Windows 10 machine. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click, and you now need to click on Settings. We now need to click on Privacy, and you now need to click on Background Apps. Just scroll down and click on Background Apps. And you just now need to simply click on this button here to turn off background apps. And with a bit of luck, that will help increase a bit of performance on your Windows 10 machine. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.